Alright, for those who'd like to know what I do a little bit more, well, I make metal. And right now the machine is set to 200 RPMs, and we're going to have a little bit of fun with it here. Cut a little bit of metal. Cut depth is a whole eighth of an inch. Speed is 17,000 of an inch per rotation. And metal goes a little bit of everywhere here, but eventually it evens out. There we go. Better view. Break one of the tips earlier, but not been a lot less often today than usual. I'm still trying to work the machine while on the bow. That's not really easy to do one-handed. Even it up a little bit. Alright, this tool here. Take the burr off the inside, clean it up with a little bit of sandpaper. This part's easy one-handed. Just, there are two handles to operate to move the thing around, and each one's easy to reach with a different hand. Smooth it off a little bit. Alright. Well, that might look a little bit rough. That is smooth. Smooth to the touch, at least. Yeah, this is what I do. This is a really simple part. I'm going to loosen it up here. Yep. Well, alright. Thank you for watching.